Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my meringue cookies. First thing is set your oven temperature to 225 degrees Fahrenheit or 105 degrees Celsius. And be forewarned, depending on the size you make them, they do take a couple hours to make. In my bowl I have 4 large egg whites at room temperature. I then add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I stir this mixture on low speed until it becomes frothy. Then I increase the speed to high and add my 1 cup of sugar slowly. Then I let this mix until I get stiff peaks and it's shiny. Once that's achieved, I add my 1 teaspoon of vanilla or any flavoring you like and my food coloring. Since Valentine's Day just happened, I decided to go with pink. Now you can make these in any shape you want. When I'm lazy, I just get a scooper and put them on the tray. When I'm feeling fancy, I will get my star tip out and make any shape I want. I use these cookies as decoration for my Christmas cakes. I use them as Christmas trees and snowmen and all sorts of things because once they're baked, they're nice and crispy and lightweight and retain their shape. Today we're going with hearts. And if you want to add sprinkles, this is the time. I decided to add silver and gold. Now throw those in your preheated oven and you want to bake them for 60 minutes and do not overbake. Once the 60 minutes is over, turn off your oven, do not open the door at all and leave them in there for another 90 minutes. Once that's done, you will have nice lightweight cookies that are nice and crispy. And they are gluten-free. You can use sugar substitute on these cookies instead of the regular sugar if you are diabetic. However, they will have a different texture. If you want this recipe, I will leave this in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!